This week's card spread, the question is, how do I turn up the sound of my intuition? So when I look at this card of love and the sign at the bottom says come together, it's about understanding that you are on the path to discover the nature of all that is you in all forms of expression, romantic, familiar, unconditional, spiritual. And it's about allowing, take that love brings that you have to another, to an animal, to a person, and in this situation, to yourself. The card assures you that you are loved, that you are cherished, and like a magnet, you are in a position right now to attract all that you like in your life, all that you love, all that you desire.